based on the Bohemian Traveller. So essentially I look at clothing which is very comfortable. If the collection was made up of separates that could be mixed and matched in different ways. And the colors are pastels for the summer. It's basically inspired by travel and everyday living. Kalki, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, I'm glad to be here for Nishka's show. Again, I'm a big fan of Nishka's collection. Have been wearing her clothes for a few years, and this was one of these summery, very light, easy outfits. It's a pleasure to walk the ramp in flats and not heels. So thank you for doing that. And yeah, it was a really good show.
Thank you. Can I request Kunal to say a few words on the collection?
This collection is pretty much like my earlier collections. It has my signature pieces, it has my signature look, but I've played a little more with embroideries, played a little more with color, so I think it's slightly bolder. And yeah, I think embroideries is my big new excitement this season. Also a certain reflective fabric that I use, so I think that kind of makes the crux of what this collection is all about.
Thank you. Do we have any questions?
What fabrics do you play with?
Flash.
I mostly use summery fabrics, organzas, malmal, crepes and cotton.
And what kind of embellishments do you play with?
There are 3D embellishments which are inspired by flowers which you see a lot in India called the lantana flower. So there were 3D embellishments of that and embroidery as well.
And top trends from your collection?
Top trends is the iridescent trend, the pastel trend, the white trend and the 3D embroidery trend.
And Kalki, where would you sport this day?
Where I would sport this out on a nice holiday somewhere, a little bit exotic, maybe in the Andamans. I think there's a special sort of bikini collection. It's not bikinis, but like beach wear, which is very, very nice, that I would love to wear on a holiday, when I get a holiday.
Okay, you had very...
Come.
Yes.
Tell us a little about your lovely showstopper.
Well, I think the whole point of having a showstopper is that they should actually wear your clothes, they should actually enjoy your clothes, and yeah, they should match the look. There should be a synergy over there. So I think both these boys are young trendsetters, in fact heavy trend drivers, and I think it totally worked. I think they rocked whatever I gave them.
Very well embellished waistcoats for the men. So
Yes.
can you elaborate more on that?
Yes, I've been wanting to play with embroideries for a while, but it's not got the chance to spend too much time on it. The last time I showed was about a year and a half, and I was slightly hectic at that time. So this time I've got a chance to spend some time on it, and I'm pretty happy with what's turned out. I think it's only going to get more and more interesting when it comes to embroideries coming further.
And lastly, what are the trends from your collection for men?
Well, I think metallics are in. I think for men, I believe my view is that men should not look very packaged. So I think that's slightly. A term I use is cultivated imperfection. I think that is something that works well on men. Yeah, so I think that sort of follows through the range. I've got.
Guys, we also have Mr. R.S. Subramanian, Vice President, Senior Vice
Trends.
So I see.
Slight imperfection.
Yes. So I see. Yeah, I see far more Indian wear coming. And Indian wear is made slightly more contemporary for younger people to wear like me. So I usually think of myself when I make something, so that's what I'm going to be doing further too. Thank you.
How was it working on the ramp with like Priyanka, Kangana, and you are also being now touted as the
2 minutes
fashion icon now?
I mean, yeah, I mean, great, yeah, I feels good.
Feel competitive like with them now?
Not at all, no. Why? We can have more than one fashion icon in the world, I think. Possible. Yeah. In fact, I have many fashion icons that I look up to, so you know it's great that there's more and more fashion icons around. Most of them are dead. Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn, Gwen Stefani. There's a bunch.
कुणाल, आपके बेहतरीन आपके दो पसंदीदा शाहिद और अर्जुन रैंप पे थे।
हाँ जी।
ऊपर से नीचे नहीं लाए उन्हें?
उनको मैं खुद ढूंढ रहा हूँ अभी।
हाँ, गायब हो गया और शाहिद को उड़ता पंजाब छुड़ा के यहाँ ले आया।
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, वो यहाँ पर ही थे। आप हेयर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
ये हेयर नहीं
He's doing it.
Oh, he's doing a film. उड़ता पंजाब आ गया। उड़ के आए हैं, वो करेक्ट आपने बोला। उड़ के आए हैं, सही है।
कैसे पॉसिबल हुआ, मतलब आपके लिए उनकी इतनी शिद्दत से आपके दोस्त हैं कि आप उन्हें ले आए यहाँ?
सॉरी?
मतलब काफी अच्छी गहरी दोस्ती है कि आप उन्हें ले आए यहाँ पर। शाहिद को सिंपल टर्म से बात करते हैं कि मतलब शाहिद को मतलब कैसे आपने कन्विंस किया यहाँ पे लाने के लिए और आज रैंप पे चलाने के लिए?
शाहिद मेरे कपड़े काफ़ी पहनते हैं और जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा था, एक सिनर्जी है और आई थिंक वो कैरी बहुत अच्छा करते हैं मेरे कपड़े। तो हाँ, उसी की वजह से हमारा एक रिलेशनशिप बन गया है, प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप बन गया है, जिसकी वजह से आई डिसाइडेड टू मेक हिम माय शो स्टॉपर।
अर्जुन से ओपन कराया शो और शाहिद से बंद करवाया शो। दिस वाज लाइक एक प्रॉपर प्लान था आपका?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, एक प्रॉपर ही प्लान था वो। इसके लिए ऐसे हुआ। तो अर्जुन से हमारी स्टार्ट हुई, आई थिंक ही फ्लैग्ड ऑफ द शो एंड वहाँ से फिर शाहिद एंडेड द शो।
ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ कि वो आए नहीं यहाँ पर, मतलब?
भाई साहब आप उनसे पूछ रहे हो यार, प्लीज।
Okay, in terms of hairstyle, what did you give your showstoppers? Very
Sorry?
interesting hairstyle.
Yes, hair by the one and only Alim. We spent some time figuring out what would work with my look, my collection. We went through the pieces, we did the hair and makeup together, and I wanted something slightly more hard, not grunge, but slightly electronic is where I was taking the music. Hence, because of the reflective fabric. So Shahid's got long hair, so thankfully I got him before he could cut it, and Arjun got a great haircut before it. So I'm really happy I got fresh looks for both of them. They weren't stuck in continuity somewhere.
Okay, thank you everyone. Can we